Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to market your Appstore app, the goal is to get more downloads by making your app visible, attractive, and easy to discover. First, start with Appstore optimization, also known as ASO. This means using strong keywords in your app title, subtitle, and description so your app shows up in the search results. Next, you gotta focus on your screenshots and preview video. Make them clean, professional, and highlight the main benefits of your app in simple text so users instantly understand what it does. Now, use social media to promote your app. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts are powerful for showing quick demos and attracting users. You should also create short videos showing how your app works and what problem it solves because people download apps they understand quickly. Another important step is getting reviews and ratings. Ask early users to leave honest feedback because good ratings help your app rank higher. You can also run paid ads on Apple Search Ads, Google Ads, or social media to bring targeted users directly to your app page. Also, you gotta keep updating your app regularly with new features and improvements because updated apps perform better in the App Store algorithm. And that's it. That's how you can effectively market your App Store app and grow your downloads. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.